raining.
This is awesome.
Oh.
Okay, so it's St. Patrick's Day, and it randomly started to rain, so we're outside in the rain because it's cool.
It doesn't rain here often.
Yeah, so
And it's
we're
getting
excited
wet.
about it.
And
This is Gracie.
Hello.
she's our little guest star. Look at it. It's raining a lot too. It's not like a little. It's like pouring. Rain.
I wonder what it's doing in Mount Charleston.
Well, I saw people going up there from the base.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Because I'm
We're in the rain. Okay, so it's really cold, and I don't know why.
It was like sunny this morning too.
It was so warm this morning, and then it started to rain, so it's cold.
I'm in the rain. I'm in the rain. Okay. My camera's getting all wet.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you, Mom, for letting me use your camera.
You're so awesome. We love you. And we're running. We don't know where we're running to, but we're running.
We gotta run back.
Oh,
It's freaking cold.
it's wet. Don't let it spray you.
My pants are getting soaked.
So am
So is my camera. I need to like do something to prevent it from getting wet.
I'm pulling you down.
Okay, so it's like really, really cold,
Cold and
and it's wet.
raining. Not again!
Don't slip. Alright, well, we're gonna head back inside now because my camera's getting wet.
So that was our St. Patrick's Day rain adventure.
Ah!